Are you graduating from high school or university and you do not know what you will do because you don't think you will find a job? You are afraid you not have a way to make money. Stay with me in this video and we're going to talk about how you can get out of that problem. First of all, let's talk about this step by step. What is the problem you will be having when you graduate? The problem is that you are not earning any money, you don't have any source of income for you to be independent or have a way to buy your things that you need. Let's think about different ways that you can make money. First way is to get a job. You might end your school time and then you get a job right away, but it's possible that you might not get a job after school. Let's talk about step by step of what you can do to start making money on your own. First of all, let's talk about why people pay you, because you cannot go to the bank and create your own money. Why do people pay you? People pay you because you have a product or a service that they need that is solving a problem for them. You can ask yourself, why do I pay people my money? The reason you pay people your money is because maybe they have shoes that you need, maybe they have a jacket you need, or maybe they provide the service you need. They help you move from one place to another and you pay them to get that service. So they pay you because there is a service or a product that they need and you can provide it. Now we know why people can pay you. People can pay you because you have a product or service they need that is solving a problem for them. Now, based on what you know or what you have now, what are the products that you can sell and what are the services that you can provide? You can identify this based on your skills. Maybe say, I know how to design fryers. Maybe I know how to drive a motorcycle. Maybe say, I know how to make a soap. That's something you can do that other people might pay you for. Make a list of products that you can be able to sell, and then make also a list of services that you can be able to sell. And the difference is that when you have products, most people are afraid of starting businesses because they do not have a capital, and most of the times you find that products are the ones that require too much capital. But for services, sometimes you do not have to start with anything. For example, when I started teaching in Rwanda, I did not have any upfront capital. I just started making videos. Maybe you can say I had a computer and that was the capital. And you might have a computer or a phone. You can use any of that because I'm now recording on my phone, and phones can edit videos as well. And once you have a list of those products and services that you can be able to sell, then you're going to do this. You're going to ask, among these products and services, which ones can people pay for? You can make a list of you will choose among that list and say, I have 1, 2, 3 services or 1, 2, 3 products that people can pay for. So narrow down the list and make at least 3 or 2. It doesn't have to be a lot, just to make sure that it becomes easier for you. So make a list of 2 products and 2 services that you think people can pay you for. Those are the services and products that you think, based on what you know or you expect, that people can pay you for. And then once you make that list, you're going to use it, right? You're going to use that list and start validating if people can really pay for that. And how do you validate that? You approach people who need that service and then you ask them to pay you to do it for them. Well, they will not pay you right away. Sometimes they don't not pay right away, but once you talk to enough people, you will know, is this something really they need? Can they pay me? You have answers to those problems. And if they can pay you, now you're making money. If they do not, move to another service, and then you will do this on different services or different skills you have, and you will find out something that can make you money. And now you will be making money without needing to find a job.